Hello viewers, welcome to Neidal Online. Today we are going to see 9 designs in fancy and designers, price ranging from 1049 to 1579. All these products will be available in our website neidal.com from 12 noon today. You can place your order directly from our website and we do free shipping all over India. Products ordered today will be shipped on 24th October and tracking details will be shared to your email ID and SMS on 25th October. Please order accordingly. Viewers, kindly note there will be a variation in the color due to the lighting we use for the videography. Hence, we request you to consider the picture posted in our website for reference. Let us see the first design. The fabric is premium cotton. This is one of our hit design. We have restocked this, which has a beautiful varley embroidery all over the top in premium cotton with simple yoke and buttons. The color is half white. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a designer piece, single color concept with beautiful varley embroidery on the front side of the top in premium cotton, which has a simple yoke with buttons, and all these are thread work done on the front side of the top. This is the daman part, which is also embroidery with pom-pom tapings. It is plain at the back. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. We have matching khadi cotton bottom in beige and beautiful designer dupatta, which is the highlight of the set, which has patchwork and netted in the middle, and we also have cut work patchwork, and pom-pom tapings are provided on all four sides. It's a designer piece, single color concept. The cost of the set is 1579. Next, we are going to see a beautiful festive wear designer collection. The fabric is muslin, premium muslin fabric, a very soft and silky fabric with beautiful work on the yoke. We have real mirror, zardosi and sequence work highlighting the set, which has a round notch neck with beautiful tassels in the front. Let us see how the set looks. The fabric is lightweight and silky fabric. It is a semi-stitched dress material which has shine, and you can take a closer view of the work. A beautiful work done on the yoke, a festive wear color in pink shade, and it also has 3/4 sleeves which has gota lace detailing. Since these are semi-stitched dress material, we recommend this up to L size. We have matching santoon bottom in pink and beautiful dupatta in fancy silk, which is digital printed, and we have heavy zari and sequence work highlighted with gota lace work. The fabric is very lightweight and elegant. It is a stole-like dupatta. It's a short width kind of dupatta with heavy work done all over with fancy tassels. It's a single color designer piece. The cost of the set is 1799. It's a dark pink color. In the video it might appear too bright. It's a beautiful festive wear set priced at 1799. You can buy these products directly from our website today from 12 noon onwards. Next, we are going to see a fancy wear dress material in beautiful pastel shades. All these are sober colors, sober pastel shades. The fabric is jam cotton. We have digital printed yoke highlighted with foam mirror work. It's a kind of tone to tone set. Top, bottom and dupatta are of same color. The tone to tone are in trend now. And this is the simple yoke with foam mirror work. And we also have mirror work on the front side of the top. And this is the daman. We have a printed patch. The fabric is not transparent, so lining is optional. Matching bottom is provided in cotton, and beautiful fancy silk dupatta which has digital prints on it. The fabric of the dupatta is very soft and it's a kind of stole-like dupatta with beautiful digital floral prints on it, and tapings are provided on all 4 sides. We have 2 colors in this. The cost of the set is 1049 and we do free shipping all over India. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Every day we post new collections. The next color in this is beautiful light beige shade in the same design with floral digital printed yoke highlighted with faux mirror work. So this is the top. We have matching cotton bottom and digital printed soft silk dupatta, priced at 1049. All these are sober colors. Next we are going to see another set of designs in same jam cotton fabric, which has an embroidery and sequence work on the yoke with tassels. It's kind of dark fenugreek yellow with embroidery work on the yoke. A simple and neat work done. It's a machine embroidery with thread and sequence work with tassels. The fabric is jam cotton. It is not a transparent fabric, so lining is optional. In the daman we have a simple golden piping. We have beige cotton bottom and beige fancy silk cotton dupatta, a very soft fabric with all over embroidery. The fabric is very lightweight and which has complete embroidery work done all over the dupatta, and tapings are recommended for the edges. Tapings has to be done for the edges. This is how the complete set looks. We have 4 different colors in this. The cost of the set is 1329. All these are dark fenugreek yellow with beige combination. In the video it might appear too bright due to the lighting effect, so please refer the picture posted in our website. If you have any queries, you can WhatsApp to us before placing your order. This is the next color in teal blue, in same design with embroidery and sequence work on the yoke. The fabric is jam cotton. So this is the top in teal blue with tassels, beige bottom and beige fancy silk cotton dupatta with all over embroidery. The cost of the set is 1329 and we do free shipping all over India. The next color is dark mossy green, and this is cotton bottom and this is the dupatta for this. Next we have in hot pink. All these are festive colors. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1329. Let us see the next design. This is again a festive set in silk cotton fabric in turquoise green color, which has a round neck and a brocade patch highlighted with fancy buttons and gota lace work. Let us see how the complete set looks. We have restocked this design as well. The fabric is silk cotton. And you can take a closer view of the yoke part. It's a brocade patch in turquoise green. The fabric is thin, so lining is needed. Even in the daman we have a brocade patch highlighted with gota lace work. It is teamed with light green silk cotton bottom and beautiful organza dupatta in light green color with brocade tapings on all 4 sides. The dupatta is a lightweight organza fabric which has thread and zari work done all over the dupatta, which gives a rich look for the set. The cost is a single color concept. The cost of the set is 1349. Next we are going to see a new collection in viscose silk. It's dark teal blue color which has a beautiful attractive prints on it, and this is the yoke part with 4 stone mirror work and Zardosi and thread work. Let us see how the complete set looks. It's a kind of tone to tone set. Top, bottom and dupatta are of same color. The fabric is viscose silk. It's kind of a silky fabric, not transparent. So lining is optional. And this is the yoke part, which has beautiful prints all over. The front and the back has the same prints in dark teal blue, and in the daman we have a printed patch. Matching cotton bottom in dark teal blue, and chiffon dupatta. It's a dual shaded chiffon dupatta with tapings provided on all 4 sides. And this is the dupatta for this. We have 3 colors in this. The cost of the set is 1249 and we do free shipping all over India. We'll quickly take a look at the other colors in the same design. The next is in bottle green color with work on the yoke, matching cotton bottom and dual shaded chiffon dupatta with tapings, priced at 1249. You can buy these products directly from our website from 12 noon today. The next color is beetroot purple. It's a dark beetroot purple, matching cotton bottom and dual shaded chiffon dupatta. The top fabric is viscose silk with simple work on the yoke, priced at 1249. Next we are going to see another set of fancy wear dress material, a simple and elegant piece. It's grey with turquoise green combination. The fabric is fancy silk cotton, which has a clove stitch and cut bead work all over. On the yoke part. This simple and elegant set can be worn for simple functions. And this is the yoke part, which has thread and cut bead work on yoke. The fabric is silk cotton, so lining is needed. Daman we have a contrast simple piping. It's grey with turquoise green combination, a beautiful combination. We have silk cotton bottom for this in turquoise green. And beautiful dupatta in organza. It's a dual shaded dupatta in organza fabric, which is a lightweight and elegant fabric, which has embroidery work on it. It's a beautiful piece. It's grey with turquoise green combination. This is how the complete set looks. We have 5 different color combinations in this. The cost of the set is 1399. We'll quickly take a look at the other colors. The design is going to be the same. So this is the next set with dark navy blue with pastel blue combination. The fabric is silk cotton. The bottom fabric is also silk cotton, and dupatta in dual shaded organza fabric, which has embroidery work. Priced at 1399. The next is maroon with dark peach combination, which has clove stitch work and cut bead work on yoke, and dual shaded organza dupatta. The next color is, it's kind of sober purple with pink combination. Next is dark brown with mehendi green combination. Silk cotton bottom for this in mehendi green, and dual shaded organza dupatta, which has thread work done on it. Priced at 1399. Next we are going to see a beautiful festive wear set. The fabric is liquid fabric, which is textured, a very soft and skin friendly fabric, which has a beautiful heavy work done on the yoke. All these are real mirrors and thread embroidery done. Let us see how the complete set looks. It is an icy blue shade, a beautiful pastel shade, and you can take a closer view of the work. A beautiful festive wear set. We also have work done with gota lace and thread work on the front side of the top. And we have a beautiful lace work done in the daman, highlighting the set. We have half white pure cotton bottom and dupatta in metal chiffon. It's a chiffon fabric which has self-jacquard design and lace tapings are provided. The fabric has little shine. This is how the complete set looks. The cost of the set is 1399. We have two colors in this. One in icy blue, the other one in light grey in the same concept. The fabric is liquid fabric, a very soft and flowy fabric. So this is the top. The same design what we saw in icy blue color. We have half white cotton bottom and metal chiffon dupatta. Priced at 1399. So totally we have two colors in this. Next we are going to see Bhagalpuri silk cotton dress material in beautiful color combinations, and the fabric will be very soft and silky fabric which has thread woven design, and also we have sequence work that is weaved along with the fabric. It is in bottle green with mehendi yellow combination which has beautiful work all over the top. It's a festive wear collection. So we have thread woven pattern and sequence work done. The fabric is very thin, soft and silky fabric. Lining is needed. This is bottle green with mehendi green combination. We have silk cotton bottom for this and dual shaded dupatta in Bhagalpuri silk cotton which has sequence work done all over. A beautiful piece in colorful combination. The cost of the set is 1249. So tapings has to be done for the edges. So both the sides needs taping. We have different color combinations, around 8 to 9 different color combinations in this. The fabric is Bhagalpuri silk cotton, a very soft and silky fabric. So this is the next combination in dark peach color, peach with grey and dual shaded dupatta in Bhagalpuri silk cotton with beautiful sequence and thread woven pattern. Priced at 1249. You can buy all these products directly from our website neidhal.com from 12 noon today. So this is the next shade. It's kind of bluish grey with green combinations. All the combinations are very different and festive wear colors. We have green silk cotton bottom and dual shaded dupatta for this. The next is in dark maroon with peach combination. This is the bottom and dual shaded dupatta. All these are Bhagalpuri silk cotton fabric, a very soft and silky fabric. The next is in ink blue with pink combination. So this is the top, a very soft and silky fabric. We have contrast pink bottom and dual shaded dupatta. The next color is sober mossy green with pinkish purple combination. So this is the bottom and this is the dupatta for this. The next color is dark onion pink with dark maroon combination and dual shaded Bhagalpuri silk cotton dupatta. The cost of the set is 1249 and we do free shipping all over India. Hope you like our today's collection. Thanks for watching our video. Have a great day and stay safe.